Red Team 101, part 4 or 5, I don't remember. In this video we're looking for support from HackTheBox, so it's easy Windows machine. And now let's get started. So we have IP addresses and grab user and root flag and hack machine, that's all. So we are starting with here mmap. So then after we checking here mmap, so it's look like it's on default AD machine, so there's no web server running. So let's go to SMB enumeration. For SMB enumeration, we already know where we can go. The SMB enumeration cheat sheet from OXDF, which is great. So you can, for example, use it. So let's use NXZ SMB giving here, and let's check for what's going on here. So we are got it. So there's a domain support.hdb and DC for domain name or something like that. We already got it. And we can also check here then -u and -b and -the shares. Then if there's we have an access on the shares with the big yes, but there is look like no, but there's also yes. It's because we just need to be check SMB client -l support.hdb, and let's see what's going on here. And we have some tools, the shares we have actually access, so for example support and tools. So for we access it, let's use here // and support.tools, and then we will get it here ls and get some files. So and there's also we are get pretty.exe and 7-zip portable, but there's a look like not interesting because these are default the desktop the files, right? But there's a user info.exe.zip, so let's actually get it, and then let's analyzing it also user info.exe.zip, and then we will be understand what's going on here. Let's create here meter user info and go for user info and get back here, then unzip user info exe.zip. So we are creating here some DLL and exe file. Before analyzing it, let's use a file, and we saw it's mono and net assembly. So if it's mono, nope, this one, okay, and then go DNSPy, right? And if it's not, we can check either or Ghidra, right? So then we're gonna be using here DNSPy is over here, and you can just go here on the release port and install it which one you want, but it's work on the Windows machine only. So you can actually run it here the color lengths, but it's not needed, it's better on the Windows. Then after you analyze it, it will just giving us two important things is here. Let me go back, I already got it. Cat LDAP users and cat get password. There's two things we are get from the after we decompile file. So the for the big get LDAP and the password, and then it's just gonna showing us here there's some users and giving the password bit. So this user is LDAP. So there's also we have got here password, but it's static string and encrypted this, and there's the key for us, the for this encrypted password for saving is Armando. You can also ask this how to crack and decrypt this password. You can just go with ChatGPT and giving the answer. So I already run it here script for, so giving encrypted password and the key, and to this XOR the Python, we're gonna decrypt it and we will get it here flag Python 3 a.python, and there's here decrypted password. We are get up. So so we are grab our first credential, then we can start enumeration. So then after that, check it here .nexamb and -u. Let's give it here LDAP for password. Let's give this. Then after we check it here, if there's some, yeah, it's actually work. And we can also check here shares, but there is no meaning check here the shares. It's because we have also here we actually has here already the shares, which one we can access, right? So there's no meaning to be get here, grab it here the password to be shares from SMB. So if it's from LDAP, then it's definitely work for LDAP. So when we also LDAP, that means is BloodHound. We have to be now. Let's create in here BloodHound and go for BloodHound. And then we can create here BloodHound data and grab here the user list, and we can also use here ldapsearch, right? So I'm gonna be using here BloodHound data. We are generally using here BloodHound data, giving domain support.htb, collection all, username, password, and zip file, and -ns, and giving the IP addresses. So we can also use it here ldapsearch. Here divconnected.com, I'm always using the ldapsearch commands. So if you have already to be password and to be username, then which one you can use. So there's the -d, the for you have to be given here for the username, and -v for the password gonna be work here. So we are already can check here. I don't know where is wrong here, but I think it's created right. Okay, that's fine. ldapsearch --help. You can also check. So we have password and username. We can also check here, and here -v for the password. You will see, and the -d and bind dn. So it's we can also use for to username, but with to be here be creating here the domain name. So ldapsearch -x-b and giving here dc support http, which one we got it here before from netexec, and -h protocol giving IP addresses, and -d the username, and -v for password. Then it will be creating for us really you know, the cool things, right? So let's creating here ldap results.txt, because it's really rec-l ldap results.txt, and there's almost 6,000 lines, so we cannot analyze 101. So let's cat ldap results.txt with grab here password, or if it's not work, we can check pwd. Now let's looking for, there's look like no password. We can also use p and wd. There's also no password, or we can check different things like information. We got here some information name, but there's look like no again. So let's check info. Alright, so we are getting here Ironside, pleasure to watchful for new user and password. So we have a new password now, but we have no username. So let's create here username. I'm gonna be showing you right now. Unzip this file first, and cat this I'm always using for creating user list after BloodHound. It's always gonna be work. Then it's great. We can check here the cat and giving here or users.json, and let's create in here cat users.txt than all users we are getting here right now. And let's check nxz smb support.hdb-u users.txt and -p with or new password, and we can grab here new credential. It's not gonna be work, it's because we have guest access. So for run it is just run continue on success. Actually, we already done BloodHound data. Alright, so we found we can use for to be, maybe it's also work for WinRM. We got our second creds, which one is support and Ironside pleasure watchful. Okay, so let's check it here, BloodHound, and we can go right now. BloodHound is over here. Let me go there, clear database fastly, and upload our data. You can go home, Elliot, documents, HackTheBox, Windows, support, BloodHound, and give it this zip file, and it will be unzip and analyze the JSON file. So let's checking for also WinRM if we have shell on WinRM. Alright. Let's see what support can do. There's also is a domain name, that's why it's maybe not work. Okay, support is here. Clear, finish it, go for. Okay, scroll down, and then transitive object controllers, or here you can check. There's look like it's nothing here, right? We can go here, analyzes, scroll down, shortest paths to domain admins. Maybe we can find something here. Nope. Is there a combustible account? No, it's just these ones look like work, right? So are we gonna have the WinRM shell, by the way? Yep. So let's use it. Eval WinRM-I support.htb. Okay. I think we did it here before, right? Yeah. Let's look at, there's no reach high value target. Okay, so it's a member of shared support accounts. Maybe shared support accounts, some have this. All right. Okay. Does look like nothing, by the way. Look it again. So we are trying to go here to DC actually, which is not here. Maybe we did it here wrong. Oh my god, it's something wrong, by the way. Is everything okay? Ah, that's why. Fuck. Remove all and let's dump it again. I think there's something wrong while he is dumping. Oh. Okay, everything's look like okay. By the way. It's gonna be here support. Alright, so maybe now gonna be fine. Database info, clear database, then upload it again. Okay, that's fine. Let's do it again. Scroll down. Oh, it was need to be somewhere here. Yep. Alright, we found the support is a member of shared support accounts and it has the generic all on DC support.htp. So what is generic all is here. This full control of computer object can be used to perform resource based constrained delegation attack. So we can add here new machine accounts and the power view can be used to retrieve the security identify. And then we are now built generic ACA, and then after that all to giving allowed to act on behalf on other identity. Then using here abuse and for grab here admin hash. So that's all we need to be doing. So we are gonna be using here Windows abuse and Linux abuse, the both of them, but we need some actually tools is over here. Which one is elite tools? Power view, and also we have need power mat, PowerShell 1, and we also need to have the reviews.exe, right? Okay, let's upload them and then start it. Upload. Let's actually alright. Let's upload Power View PowerShell 1. Then we can upload PowerMet PowerShell 1, then upload reviews.exe, and we can use it for adding here new machine accounts. And after that, adding new machine accounts, we can verify it with BloodHound again. If it can allow it to act, then we will gonna be using here Linux abuse, I think, which is more easier. So it's definitely easier for sure. Windows abuse, which one I never like it for sure. Let's upload PowerMat PowerShell 1 also. Then let's upload reviews.exe. Right, then we can start. So the first of all, we have to be import the module from PowerView and PowerMat. So then we can start to attack us here. So my attack command is done. So I'm just gonna be showing you how we can do it. It's not needed to be you have to be look at somewhere, because let's actually PowerMet PowerShell 1. Let's import them all. There's here we have to be do. It's because if you're trying to be giving here to be account name or another's, so we just need to be give computer SID and let's just give it here adding new machine accounts and giving your machine account name and giving here the password and which password you want to be give. Then computer SID you have to be give the get domain computer with the name. The property is object SID, select expand object SID. So then after that's all, we can give the argument list, then add here allow to act behalf of the other identity with the abuse or abuse. It's gonna be work awesome. So let's run it here. First of all, new machine account name as Osman, and we can check here computer SID, giving here with the computer name. Then it's gonna be creating for us SID, right? So that's giving here computer SID, and for to be if it's work, we can check it with computer SID. Then yeah, it's actually work. So then give it here, right? It's also work. So let's check get computer domain computer on DC support and the how it's allowed to act here. So let's check. All right, so it's look like fine, is everything is correct, and we can also check here to save them on or not, right? Okay, we did it like that. The second time we can check if it's work or if it's not work, how we can to verify it. So the basic things we can check here. Go here BloodHound again and remove everything, and then run it here BloodHound again. Then after that's all, the BloodHound is also checking identify for all machines which one is equal is Osman, right? So then we can analyze it again if we haven't access right now to dump admin hash is over there. So then after that's all, we can use reduce hash plain text password in the RC4 hashmac. Then we can use RC4 hashmac to getting here with our attacker system. So we can grab here the name and which one we are trying to be go or something like that. We just need to be use, right? That's all we have to be know, and let's try to be use it first of all. And go here BloodHound, and let's clear database and then upload it or file again, and let's see if it's correct. So if we did it actually, right, which we're trying to be looking for, we go for here Windows support BloodHound, and let's upload it, and it's gonna be uploaded again or file. Looking for our computer, this is our attacker computer, reachable high value targets, and we are showing here we have allowed to act DC support.hdb, right? So which is cool. So then let's start here allowed to act and how we can do it. Go for Windows abuse and abuse exe hash the password, and for then after that's all, then run it them. So there's just we just need to be run it here the first of all. So let's give it here with the name, right? So it's over here. We can go reduce exe hash password, and which password we are created here. Okay, let's give it here and grab here RC4 maybe you need to be given like that. I don't know why it's not work here. What's wrong here right now? there's, yeah, we are doing something wrong. Rebuse exe. The hash we are trying to be get. The password we actually give it here, but there's no needed marks. I'm pretty sure the password is here. Fuck. Okay, so let's give it here the computer name and domain. Right, let's give it here domain support.hdb. Alright, let's run it again and let's see if we are doing something wrong. Then it's work, we are got it. It's look like that. So we are getting here to rebuse exe hash with the password, giving our attacker name, and it's just for all RC4 hashmac. Then it's because we're gonna be using here this command, right? So let's modify it. We are need to be changed here. It's over there. For example, it's already giving us the for us, right? Let's see. We can also use it, but I'll use it here. Okay, if it's not work, we can also check. RC4 hashmac. We're gonna be using this one. Impersonate user. We are trying to be Go administrator, right? And then MSC CFC is okay, so we just need to be change them with DC support .hdb. Okay, DC support .hdb. That's fine. So let's try to be run it and let's see if it's work. Alright, if it's actually work and we are able to ticket successfully imported is over here. So we grab the correct things. It's here our ticket base 64 and you can actually using creating here for the correcting it. So just need to be running here klist. And then let's looking for, and we have right now is a klist from administrator on from the administrator is over here, right? So the admins or it's actually work, right? Let's actually try to be use it here for grab to be admin shell. We just need to be using here base 64 ticket Kirby. And then just need to be add here base 64 and dash decoded it and save as ticket.kirby. Then we can use ticket converter and others, but there is no need it because I'm gonna be using here right now the Linux abuse. So which one is I think is more cooler. So let's go. So right now we are starting with Linux abuses over here. We can also check here. Let's go support again, and then let's looking for support.hdb, and we were getting here before. Okay, this has member of shared support accounts, and it has GenericAll for DC, right? Which one we did it? So and there's a Linux abuse. You can check it here. Just using here at computer, but there is also already in the packet, so we can use it here directly. Let's use it or methods on Linux abuse. So let's use it in packet. All right, and at computer. And then dash methods. So we can also check here dash method. It's used in LDAPs, computer name, computer password, and dash DC host. We just need to be give and the domain name and password or something like that. So let's actually use it here for myself. In packets and at computer dash computer name. Let's give it first. We can call its name. So let's calling here different things. So then give me my name, for example. You can give a different name, right? And dash computer password, we are trying to be giving actually here. The computer passwords, let's do it again complicated. Let's do here again password 321. So we was using here password 123. So then let's use here 321 dash dc dash IP. I go here and copy the IP addresses and giving here. Okay, support and support, and let's give it here to be password, which one we have for support. Is it here? That's fine. So let's try if it's actually work. Okay, successfully added machine account with our name and with his password. So that means it's actually work. So I'm gonna be for sure to save them. It's because it's gonna be shared with you. My commands is here. So then all what we can use, let's see here, you have to be use rbcd.python, delegate from attacker system, and delegate to target computer with domain user and password. So let's use it. In packet rbcd, it's over here. Then dash f for we are just giving here to be or the computer name. So for example, you can give it like that as also. It's gonna be work dash t. Let's give it here dc dash dc IP. It's over here. Okay, let's give it. And then support and support. And giving his password also here. And then let's try. I don't know what's wrong here. Delegate to we're just trying to be delegate to be admin. So let's see. We are just trying to be delegate to DC right now. So it's out, you know. We can use it here, then different things. Let's see. All right, rbcd usage. Yeah. Let's see. Seems to be work. I don't know why it's not work. So there's no needed to be give to here, anything like that. So dash t to dc, we are trying to be go also. So I don't know why it's giving me like that. So let's go cd. Okay, locate rbcd.python. So let me cp here, python 3 rbcd.python. Okay, then let's use it here again. Sometimes in packet it's not acting like rbcd.python actually. So that's why maybe not work. Let's see. Yeah. So let's actually use it here then, right? So we can directly use it this one as also, for example. So let's use inpacket rbcd is here. Okay. Then gonna be give here dash action to write dash delegate to, okay, we are trying to be go here dc and dash delegate from, I think it's needed, and which one or has the computer name and dash dc dash ip. Let's give it 10 11, it's 85, and support .htb is the domain name, I mean, and support, let's give it here password. Alright, so it's actually work. An account allowed to act to be half other identify. So you know, it's Linux abuses to be its best and easier. Then we have to be go and use it get st .python. Then let's use it here in packet get st, right? So we just need to be use it here support.htb and go for, and giving the computer name is here, and you know, we just need to be added here, the computer name is like that. So the giving to here the computer password, which one we gave before, where was it? Okay, the password 321, I think it was like that here. Okay, that's fine. Then we can get st right now dash cpn, let user here dc support.htb dash impersonate, we are trying to be go administrator. Okay, saving tickets administrator HackTheBox cage, so that means it's also work, and we are grabbing here administrator cages over there. Then we can just use export. I want to know why I didn't use it before. There's no. Oh, it's out. Then let's looking for keyless. Oh, apt-get install. Okay, there's not keyless, right? So we have to be installed first. I didn't know why, because I just you know, and I just removed everything from my Linux and resetting it. I just removed it. So yeah, we need to be installed here reversible user. Okay. Yep. Okay. Okay, then export it. KLS, and we have right now is an administrator cage, and we can directly use it with inpacket pc exec dash key dash no pass support .htb administrator and dash dc support .htb dash dc dash IP 10 10 11, like that, right? We can also check it here with like that, I think. Let's see. All right. Let's use it again. Not this one, actually, but another one here. Alright, so we are getting Shelly is here administrator and our methods is actually works. That's all. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna be updating my notes with this one.